People who scream sneeze. Bless you, and what's your deal? Back when my allergies were at their worst in my teenagehood, I'd sneeze at such an incredible rate that at some point, I just gave up. I couldn't be bothered to put my hand in front of my mouth and muffle my sneeze anymore. It was so bad, I'd gone past the due consideration event horizon. I was just plain done. So when a sneeze came, I just let it out. Full blast. Got it out of the way, kept working at whatever it was I did. Because anyway, I'd sneeze again 5 seconds later. And again 5 seconds later. Allergies are more manageable now, and I don't sneeze as often, but the damage is done. Even when I put my hand and try to silence myself as best as I can, seems my body figured it no longer needs a muffler anymore and never will. So my sneezes sound like a baby panda delivering a Bruce Lee flying kick.